learning. We're talking about digital payments, we're talking about digital economy. Yet we are in the same society where 1.4 billion people do not have access to basic banking system. Ironically, 77% of them have smartphones with them. So we have denied a large chunk of population. So for me, this platform, this forum is very important to address certain issues. My name is Blasius. I come from the northernmost emirate of this country. I come from Russell, Cairo. So I drove all the way. I already have a jet lag by the time I reached here. But speaking about jet lag, there was an incident which really impacted me of recent. I was traveling and in one of the most recognized airports, the group of workers, there was a bit of ruckus in the situation, and I understood what the whole episode was. There was a communication gap, and they could not understand what the officer was trying to communicate with them. And among the audience, I was one among them, it escalated, and to a point where one of the gentlemen there in the crowd addressed this group of workers as Jahil. It's a very derogatory word. I'm not going getting into the context of the word or the background of it. But what is important for us at this stage is when we are talking about education, we are talking about literacy. It's a two-way highway. It should be addressed at a platform wherein more than educating or reaching or empowering the masses, I think also the classes need to know how to dignify entire workforce, because this workforce is one of the reasons why we are here today. We are sitting on a chair probably or having a beautiful environment here, but we have to also know how do we respect this community and dignify them. Specifically how the previous speakers spoke about labeling them with various titles. I think it's time for us to unlabel and enable the community here. Thank you.